Your AI keeps getting confused about whether it's supposed to be your personal assistant or run your entire business. Here's why that matters more than you think. You're juggling ChatGPT for writing, Claude for analysis, maybe some automation tools. But every conversation starts the same way, re-explaining your business, your customers, your brand voice. Then halfway through, you realize the AI is either doing too little or trying to do everything badly. That confusion? It's costing you hours every week because you're using the wrong type of AI for your actual needs. Let me break this down. AI assistants are reactive. You ask, they respond. Think ChatGPT when you paste in a customer email and ask for a reply. They're great at single tasks, but terrible at remembering context between conversations. AI agents are proactive. They watch, learn, and act on your behalf. A properly set up agent monitors your calendar, knows your client preferences, and can handle entire workflows without you touching them. Here's what most solopreneurs get wrong. They try to use assistants like agents, then wonder why everything feels scattered. I set up systems for a marketing consultant last month. She was spending 2 hours every morning briefing ChatGPT about her 3 main clients. Same information, every single day. We built her an AI agent that knows each client's industry, communication style, and project history. Now it drafts client updates automatically and flags anything that needs her personal touch. She got 4 hours back in her first week. But here's the thing, agents aren't always better. They're terrible for creative work where you want that back-and-forth exploration. For brainstorming campaign ideas or working through strategy problems, you want an assistant that responds to your thinking, not an agent that assumes it knows what you need. So when do you use which? Use AI assistants for creative work, problem-solving, and anything where the conversation itself is valuable. Writing, planning, analyzing complex situations where context changes rapidly. Use AI agents for repetitive workflows, monitoring tasks, and anything you do the same way every time. Customer service, content scheduling, lead qualification, report generation. Here's how to know what you need right now. Look at your biggest AI frustration. If it's, I keep explaining the same things over and over, you need better context architecture. If it's, I wish this would just handle itself, you need an agent. Most successful solopreneurs I work with use both. Assistants for strategy and creativity, agents for execution and routine work. The magic happens when they work together through proper context architecture. That marketing consultant? She uses an AI assistant for campaign brainstorming every Tuesday, then hands the approved concepts to her agent system that creates the actual content, schedules it, and monitors performance. 2 different tools, one unified understanding of her business. The difference between AI that works and AI that wastes your time isn't the technology. It's understanding what type of AI fits your actual workflow and setting it up to remember your business context. If you're tired of re-explaining your business to AI every single conversation, let's fix that. Visit keepersharp.com and book a strategy call. I'll show you exactly which type of AI system fits your workflow and how to make it actually remember your business.